Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. I wanna need a ladder. Gaza Nation to find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel of Jaden Chase. I bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember the man, I'm also reminding you now. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the blog. In truth. Now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel song them definitely receive some of the biggest power of me personally at the Dream Weekend event, viewers and subscribers. Visit Tony Matterhorn on stage and him drop the Any Weather track, viewers and subscribers. And at that moment, Tony Matterhorn could only see the stage and the venue from pinpoint of view, but it was being recorded. And after him see the recording, viewers and subscribers, he made have to post it and tag the teacher page. You know what we're gonna do? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna see the song drop and then we're gonna see the reeling, viewers and subscribers, and then we're gonna hold a reason about it. You know my thing go. Remember the man? So what you are going? I'm gonna see the clip and then we'll reason. Yeah man, as I tell you viewers and subscribers, and not normal when a Vybz Kartel song play in any venue, in any location right across the world. I never say big up Tony Matterhorn. You know why that? Tony Matterhorn is definitely a selector like this. Him definitely a select long time. The man they definitely make him name in the industry. But the man they say Vybz Kartel and play Vybz Kartel music anywhere in the world, him there. I see them man they are alkaline party. Start the man, I'm alkaline nearly kick off. Cause the man I say what? You mean me never play a cartel? You're mad, me never gone no venue and play a cartel. I have never seen cartel bust. I have never gone one day while working, doing my selector work and not play a cartel song. You're mad. Yo, drop the cartel. I mean I tell you say, yo, the G like him out, get upset. But the cartel song did play. I know what did happen to. Never point out this. Fans in attendance at that alkaline show cheered and reeled for that Vybz Kartel track. Yeah. Moving on now. At Dream Weekend viewers and subscribers, teacher track them definitely receive some of the biggest forward where we see. Talk no man. You just see the clip a while ago. You just see the clip. Water start dash. Tony Matterhorn have to move them out to soak him. And as I want to point out, at that moment in time, him up on the stage with the fire phone him attack. So him not really can see the whole reaction or the whole vibe or the whole of what take place. And when him see back the recording, him see the clip. And he must say, yo, but wait. He must go boom now and take the clip. Post the clip. And then tag the Vybz Kartel Instagram page and say, yo, one done. Because him as a selector viewers and subscribers, as somebody we have played, I remember Tony Matterhorn at this point in time is a selector who based overseas. Tony Matterhorn live in Jamaica. I met nobody tell you nothing. Tony Matterhorn, the man live in Jamaica. That live overseas. Anyway, we are talking about the music. Them man they are select at not just local events, but major international events. We see them when they are London on the streets when they have them official party when that means say, you know what I mean? London and the authorities decide that this is a party we can keep. You can't just keep party on the roads of London. You're mad, you can't do it. I see them book Tony Matterhorn. You have to talk about that. As a matter of fact, right after him left Dream Weekend, I think Tony Matterhorn gone to Sweden. Or for those who don't know Sweden, lovers of dancehall music. As a matter of fact, lovers of Caribbean and Jamaican culture. From the dancing to the music to the party scene. Them into with everything now, everything we are going in the dancehall culture. I'm not going around and reggae culture too. I don't know about Europe. Reggae are the boss. In Europe, viewers and subscribers, dancehall are reggae little brother, you know what I mean? But reggae are do extremely well and dancehall are forward and stronger and stronger with each different crop of artists who forward on the industry, you know what I mean? You can get stronger and stronger from strength to strength. As I say now, viewers and subscribers, Tony Matterhorn is definitely a selector we know. Alright, can see a certain amount of forward and say, yo, no, that forward is normal. Why you thinking? Take the clip, post the clip and tag teacher. any weather viewers and subscribers, is definitely a track with big. As a matter of fact, I tell you, it's spicy. Any weather. It's a big track in Japan. Remember, this track, viewers and subscribers, is not one of the tracks we make. None of the Chinese or Japanese references. This is a different track entirely. And Japan love it. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, very popular, she said. Nobody can go around me. Feel like nobody can tell me nothing. Try to trick up my brain. But no, when I talk about viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is definitely an artist. We are bringing something unique to dancehall music. As an artist that is not on the stage. As an artist that is incarcerated and fighting freedom. That no man. And I top the charts. And I dominate the industry. And I influence artists I forward up. And I motivate. And I inspire. All while still trying to keep a level head and not stress out your own self. Yo, man, not tell you lie. Vybz Kartel, you don't know. So when Vybz Kartel, as time go by, and even if him decide to now the music, I like to see Vybz Kartel become either a producer or a music mogul. Because me I tell you, the man have whole heap to teach other dancehall artists. And now go around here, whole heap of style that they can learn from the artist. You have something where him himself more, I feel like he might do it and him never consciously know. Him have a chuck, he must say, yo, oh, him come up with the line and him not know. Him say himself not know. Sometimes Vybz Kartel himself astonish even his own self viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I can tell you, cause certain track, certain verse, you know what I mean, even an interview, something like an interview, we use an interview because people, you know this, you can script an interview, meaning say, you can rehearse what you plan for say. But here's the problem, you're not necessarily sure of what the reporter is going to ask you unless it's a type of interview like this where them tell you the questions beforehand. Because people don't talk about this, but sometimes it is done. Sometimes people tell you the questions beforehand. So, you know what I mean? You're not surprised when you hear the question and the surprise reaction is not shown on your face. You can look more calmer and just answer. Especially if it's something you want to address. You know what I mean? Yeah. But separate and apart from that, viewers and subscribers, an interview is somewhat where you get a spontaneous response. Because as I said, the artist or the person being interviewed don't know where the reporter asks themselves. And I want to get Vybz Kartel, we have to say, even when they give a spontaneous answer. Even when it look like say, you know, say, talk from his mind, talk from his heart. He never give it much thought. Viewers and subscribers, the way the artist articulate himself. We have to say, no man, it come like he did plan for this. Yo, I don't know. Come like he did plan for this. I just Vybz Kartel. Soon and very soon we're gonna have something we call the Vybz Kartel effect. You know what I mean? Yeah, we are, just like we have the Mandela effect. We're gonna have the Vybz Kartel effect, viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you, and that's gonna be where the artists impact the genre to a certain level. At this point in time, me some people that say them are waiting to see an artist where I gotta replace Vybz Kartel. Are you stupid? Well, sorry for saying that, but tire without a spear cannot be replaced. My bill of herb, to grab a week and just to weed my face. Fit it over my fire that cannot see my face. Viewers and subscribers know Vybz Kartel is irreplaceable in dancehall music. There's no replacing Vybz Kartel at this point in time. No, there's no replacing. There's no artist who can do it like Vybz Kartel. Even though I'm not limiting music, there are artists who will probably come and do it even bigger. When new technologies and new things are added to the dancehall genre and more people worldwide start listening to the music and the culture becomes even that much bigger. Because that's what we aim for. We aim for dancehall culture and Jamaican culture to be even bigger than it is right now. But with that being said, viewers and subscribers, everybody is unique to themselves. There's no artist that come do it like Bounty Killer. There's no artist to come do it like Beenie Man. There's no artist that say do it like Supercat and Brigadier Jerry them. No artist that do it like Supercat and Brigadier Jerry them. Nah man. Nah man, I don't even know who that is. Nobody talk to me about it. Who don't know Brigadier Jerry somehow, who don't know Supercat. Who know them know so nobody not do what them do. And there will be nobody to do a Vybz Kartel doing a dancehall music because it has already been done. How you can do that? Tattoos are not popular in a Jamaican culture and a Vybz Kartel do that. How you gonna do it? It has already been done. As in that say the gate open. So you can't open an open gate. You maybe can try close it and then reopen it, or if something close it, you reopen it, that is different. But how do you open and open gate viewers and subscribers? That's an oxymoron. Yeah, you can't do that. So at this point in time, there's no other dancehall artist you can do what Vybz Kartel do, because Vybz Kartel has already done it. You get me, answer? So yeah, viewers and subscribers, yeah, you know there's something go Dream Weekend definitely went off without a hitch. Definitely a big party, you know what I mean? Yeah, and Vybz Kartel definitely dominated that event as well. Jaden Chase, I bring another exciting reason for topic, viewers and subscribers. Leave a comment in the comment section, drop a comment, leave a like, hit the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Until the reason again, viewers, you know my sentiments, live, love and prosper. And I'm out.